Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default playlist on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Now here on the bottom, select your library. Here below your library, there's the option of playlist. Click on it. So here you can see a small icon of two arrows. Select it. So as you can see the options of playlist, you can play it through recently added, alphabetical, creator or custom order. You can play it as you wish. So just select one and now you're done. The song will be played according to alphabetical now. So this is the way how you change your default playlist on Spotify. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.